Don't you just hate when this happens? Yeah, just flop it. You know what I'm saying? Just flop it. Flop it. Don't you just hate when that happens? Look, I got a solution for you, okay? There's two steps that you need to do. And it's simple, okay? First of all, you need to just
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
You know, it's your boy Dirty D, and you know we back at it with another video. So I'm finna go ahead and teach y'all how to go ahead and fix that. First of all, first step, you need to take your door off. And that's, if you don't know how to take your door off, I have another video for it, and it's gonna be right here, I believe, in the pinned, I guess, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, let's get started on this video. Now that we have both doors off, we can take them inside and go get to fixing them. All right, so the adhesive that we're gonna be using is the Loctite spray adhesive. Supposedly it's good for, you know, some heat and staying in the heat, and you know, living in the South, that's all you have is heat. Supposedly it's supposed to be one of the better bonding, like for different type of claws and all that. Yeah, let's give this a try, see what we looking like. All right, so now let's go ahead and get to start using this. It says to be 8 to 10 inches away whenever you get ready to spray it. You know, to have accuracy with this, you're not gonna be able to do 8 to 10 inches. So try and do as far as you possibly can without like messing up spots. All right, so the best way to do this is really you're supposed to have some masking tape and tape it off so that, you know, you don't get overspray on your actual plastic piece. But if you have some Clorox wipes, I found this to be pretty effective for getting the adhesive off. If you have Clorox wipes, you shouldn't really have to worry about it, as long as you make sure you clean it as soon as you actually spray it on there. So let's get started by come back kind of far, shake it up a lot, and just spray on. You don't have to spray that much. Just make sure you get the edges. And now you have to wait 5 minutes before you you have to let it dry before you actually put it on there. So let's go ahead and move to another spot so that we can try and get it on there while that's drying. All right, well look, I got some on my finger. Take the Clorox wipe and just wipe off all your overspray. Just go around the edge. Also glue gun, if you let it actually sit on there for a while, is a good way to get rid of it. If you don't know what glue gun is, I'll put a picture up on the screen right about now. Well, yeah, it's basically a simple process. Just spray on, wait 5 minutes, and you should be able to stick it on there. If you have a fan on in the house, go even faster. Clearly, because it's drying. But yeah, after 5 minutes, the adhesive should be activated and ready to go. All right, we're back. Now the 5 minutes is over. All you need to do is kind of start tucking it and just tucking it. That's pretty much, it's pretty much simple after you have the adhesive on there and you wait it, because now all you have to do is just apply the fabric in. To do it easier, to like make your life a whole lot easier, just get your screwdriver or flathead and just push it in. Because that's pretty much all you have to do. Push it in. Tuck it around the corners. Bring it around town.
Now it's time to bring it around town. Bring it around town.
Like I said, just push it down, kind of just get it all straightened out and press down on the issues, or press down on the Loctite adhesive. You really want to start from inside and then go out so that you can have all of the inside places taken care of, so there's no bubbles in your work. So like I said, just get in here, just push it in, push it out, push it outside. Really, if you want to tuck it, of course you do. You want to just like push it towards the outside, make sure it's sticking, and as soon as it starts laying down, this is lay down, you just tuck it in with the screwdriver, push up, push in. Pretty much, once you add a Loctite adhesive on there and you start tucking, everything is just gonna stay in place. It's not gonna, it's pretty much not gonna go anywhere, unless you like put water on it or do something to mess up the process. And yeah, that's pretty much it. But I'm gonna get the tucking. As you can see, this is all tucked and it's laid evenly, laid nicely. I'm gonna finish all this up off camera, but you know, it's your boy. I'm sitting down, you know, it's DIY out here, you feel me? Do it yourself. But anyway, it's your boy Dirty D, and I'm out. Peace. It was so much easier to do off camera, by the way, but yeah, pretty much I laid it down. So this should be your final result. It's wet because I tried to make sure I got all the residue up by the Clorox wipes. But yeah, like I said again, it's your boy Dirty D, and I'm out. Peace. Oh, somebody wants to say hi. Come here. Somebody wants to say hi. That's Daddy Baby. Ain't it? That's Daddy Baby. Say hello. She is not having it right now. But anyway, it's your boy Dirty D, and I'm out. Peace.